Thank you for joining me to our first lesson. We will talk about naming keys and how we can remember them. The piano is divided into groups of 2 and 3 black keys. We should remember the keys' names. The first key, we should remember its name C. It is a white key that is located to the left group of 2 black keys. Here is our first drill. Please play all the C keys on the keyboard. Please note that you can find C at different heights. The left side of the keyboard sounds lower, and the right sounds higher. Now please write with me the names of the keys in that order: C, D, E, F, G, A, B. A good way to remember the names of the white keys is to see them as 2 groups in your mind. Divide the keyboard, one group next to the 2 black keys, C, D, E, and the second group at the 3 black keys, F, G, A, B. Now let's say the names of the white keys from left to right, and then in reverse, right to left. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And now in reverse, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Try to do that from every key. Let's practice. Okay, let's do another drill. I will play a white key that is located only in the group of 3 black keys. What is the name of the key that I played? The answer is A. And now, the answer is B. I will now tell you to play a certain white key in the group of 2 black keys. And after a few seconds, I will play the answer. Please play D. And now, please play E. So let's talk about the black keys. They are called sharps and flats. The distance between the white key and the nearest black key is the smallest distance in Western music. It is called a half tone. It is very important to know what is a half tone, as we will use it when we learn how to accompany songs with chords. When we move to the right from a white key to the nearest black key, that is called a half tone, and the name of the black key will be sharp. Here is an example. If we play the black key that is located to the right of the key named C, it will be called C sharp. I move a half tone to the right. When we move to the left from a white key to the nearest black key, it is also be a half tone, and the name of the black key will be flat. Example: if I play the black key that is located closest to the left side of D, it is called D flat. Let's practice. So I will play a white key and you will play its sharp key. After a few seconds I will play the answer. G sharp, A sharp, D sharp, C sharp. Now I will play a white key and you will play its flat key. After a few seconds I will play the answer. E flat, A flat, B flat, G flat. This is C sharp. Please find D flat. You may have noticed that it is the same key. So every black key has 2 names, a sharp name and also a flat name. You may have asked yourself, Where is the E sharp or where is the F flat? The E key can also be called F flat because there is a half tone from F to E. For the same reason, the key F can also be called E sharp. So let me ask you a question. Which sharp name can we call the C key? The answer is B sharp. Which flat name can we call the B key? And the answer is C flat. The better you know how to quickly recognize the location of the names of each key on the keyboard, the faster your playing will be. Finally, I will give you a homework to practice.